Good afternoon all, and it is literally afternoon. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Sorry about that. I slept in. I found this TV show called Bridgerton, which is what I've been watching. And it's only one season at the moment, but it's pretty darn good. It's 18th century, 19th century period time kind of plot to it. And if you like The Crown, because I finished watching The Crown now, then you'll like this one. So, yeah. This potato pot is done. And, sorry, my finger got in the way again. And I've been saying to everyone that I'm going to do potato harvest, yay. But don't expect much from me. It's not looking very good right now, yay. I don't know. I think I need more sleep. So I've got this pot, and this pot is also looking a bit tired, so I thought I might put them out of their misery. So yeah. So I should have woken up early today and done some work, but no, I didn't. Well, we've got a root system at least. Don't expect much. Really do not expect much at all. Oh, nice and wet too. Yeah. Don't expect much. And there it is, the seed potato. Yeah, we're not going to get anything out of this one at all. Yeah, no. Sorry about that, guys. I think it was one of those potatoes. It was one of those potatoes that just didn't want to sprout. So, a very dismal failure for the first one for the year. And this one, oh, can I lift it up one-handed? I don't think I can. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. I know. I need a... Oh, I need a GoPro. I need a gimbal. I need a tripod. I need this. I need that. Just haven't got around to it. What is that? It's just dirt, I think. So, really not expecting much. The others are going quite well. These have been in the pot since March, so it's now June. We're already sort of 6th of June. The other issue is I'm a bit mopey today because it would have been my dad's birthday today if he was still alive. So, just waiting, Mum. She's all right. She's about ready to light her wood fire, have a drink, you know, all that. And basically half of that just fell out. Oh, it's so wet. Ew. Oh, gross. Well, I got one. Now, I've seen YouTube videos where people have had the same results with potatoes. They just don't grow. Okay, there's another one. Tiny little one. When I said don't expect much, I really didn't mean this. The soil was good. I put in blood and bone and everything. And yeah. So for those who've been waiting for the potato harvest of the year, that's it. That is it. So oh, I have to laugh at that one. I'm not even sure that's worth keeping. Oh, yeah. Oh, this soil is not only wet, but it's very mushy. Not sure I like the feel of it. There's number 4. Yay. What else has been happening? Not a great deal. I'm still waiting on a reply from my uncle with regards to my moving, but I haven't heard anything. I think he's actually at the shack at the moment as we speak, so I'm not expecting miracles there either. That's it. I have to find room for all this soil now. Oh, my nose. Excuse me. However, after that pitiful potato harvest, all is not lost, because let me show you something up here. Ooh, if anything, the flowers are looking good. And I've got gotty fingers now. This pot's going particularly well over here. This one's going extremely well. That's just popped through. That's just popped through. They're all popping through. Speaking of popping through, I got a pea. See that? I got a pea. And I'm getting more peas. Thousands of them. So that might be the next harvest. Peas and lemons. And over here, carrots. And I noticed one has just popped through right there. So I'm going to give this another couple of months, I think, because someone on Facebook said that it took them 12 weeks to get a decent sized carrot. So I'm going to hold their word to it. So I'm sorry about that. I really thought I had more potatoes there, but I didn't. Yeah. So we'll have to do better next time. Oh well, there's the potato harvest of the year. I will catch you all later. Bye.